Let go. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button first play. Get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. This loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up?
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to do what I do in the kitchen again. You know what I mean? We back at it. So what you see right here, we got some Snickers right here. We have our salt. We have our vanilla extract. We have our baking powder, brown sugar, white sugar, flour. And then your boy have to grab a couple eggs. So we're gonna bake some cookies for the first time. You hear me? In my kitchen. So let me go ahead and cut these bad boys up. You know what I mean? Let me go ahead and cut these up and get everything all nice and ready. And we're gonna see if we mess up or not. You hear me? Alright, so I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So we'll go ahead and put our salt in there. Tablespoon of salt, baking powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So we're gonna mix the salt, baking powder, and flour together. Boom, just like that there. That's all mixed in. I'm gonna move that to the side. Now we figure out the butter and all that good stuff, and we're gonna make it happen. Alright, so I have my butter room temperature. 2 cubes of salted butter. I have 1 cup of white sugar. You want to be room temperature, so it'll be easy for you to mix. I have 1 cup of brown sugar. Boom. And like a half of a teaspoon vanilla extract. That's it. You know what I mean? So what you're gonna do now, let's go ahead and just mix it all in. Just like that there. Be careful with that vanilla extract because that bad boy is strong. I say it's strong, it's strong. Can't find my little blender thing that, you know, zzz, whatever the hell that's called. I can't find it, your boy. Your boy can't find it, y'all. So I'm using my hands. You know what I'm talking about? Mixing all this together. Like this right here. So you just want to mix it up. You know what I mean? Beat up in there like that there. Everything come together like cheddar. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this for a couple more minutes, and we'll get to the next. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so this is how we looking right here. So I added another half a cup of white sugar, another half a cup of brown sugar, and that was it. So this is all mixed in. Like I said, I can't find my mixer. It's somewhere. So this is what your boy using. So I have 3 eggs over here, but I'm gonna use 2. Boom. You know, we're gonna go ahead and throw the 3rd one in there. Yeah, we're gonna throw the 3rd one in there. Now remember, it's the first time your boy making some cookies, you hear me? So, you know, the first time around don't be perfect. So you just wanna mix that in. Get all that mixed in. Just like that there. Just like that there. So your boy gonna do, I'm gonna mix this in for like another 2 to 3 minutes. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, so that's how we looking right there. Everything mixed in together. You know what I'm talking about? And no, you can't have no spoon either. You hear me? No spoon. So that's how we doing it. So now we're gonna do, we'll go ahead and take our flour, a little mix. Make sure everything mixed up. It's all about mixing. You know what I'm talking about? Alright. So I'm gonna take some of this flour. Boom. And put it in there. And we're gonna go ahead and mix. You know what I mean? Just like that there. And just keep on mixing. Want everything to come together. You know what I mean? You want to rinse and repeat, do the same thing. You know what I mean? Just like that there. Until you get all that flour in there and mixed up. See that right there? See how it's coming together like it's supposed to? So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this flour in here, mix it up some more. We're gonna make it happen. All right, so here we go right here. So what I did, I put an extra cup of flour in there because your boy did put a little too much sugar, so I had to add a little more flour to it. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our little Snickers in here, just like that there. Well, other than that, your boy did a stizzle. You just want to mix it in. I don't like this little thing, but whatever. So my wife, you know what I mean, I had gave her a spoon. And she had to go ahead and taste it. So she said it tastes good, you know what I mean? It tastes like some nice little homemade cookie dough. You know what I'm talking about? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cover this up I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for like 25 to 30 minutes. And then we're gonna start baking. You hear me? Alright, so here we go right here. Fish spread with some cooking spray. Boom. Now we'll go ahead and take this right here. Both of these. Let's go put them on there. Boom. So we're gonna have Snicker, M&M cookies. Yeah, we're gonna have some Snicker M&M cookies, y'all. Yo, come on, fella. There we go. Alright, so your boy just getting them on there. I'm trying to spread them apart away from each other. Don't be looking at my cookies with y'all spoon in your hand. My cookie dough. My wife thinks she's slick. So that's how we doing it. We're gonna see how these bad boys come out. We're gonna make this one bigger. Yeah, make these bigger. You know what I mean? Just like that there. So what your boy gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get these right. And then we're gonna turn the camera back on. And then they're going straight in the oven. Alright, so here we go right here. Hey, they don't have to be all cute on there, all cute and stuff like that. You know what I mean? They just some cookies, you hear me? But one day I might put them on there. They might be all spread apart, all cute and stuff like that. But not this time. You know what I mean? It's your first time making some cookies, you hear me? So let's see how these bad boys come out. I'm going to keep them in there for like 9 to 10 minutes on 350. So here we go right here. Your boy made some cookies. You know what I'm talking about? And hey, they look good. I did that. Man. So I had them in there for 14 minutes on 350. 14 minutes on 350. Look at that. Look at them good cookies. You know, the thing I gotta do is just slice it up like a cookie. You know what I'm talking about? Man, your boy did his thizzle. Yes, I did. I did my thizzle, y'all. First time making some cookies from scratch. So we have some Snicker M&M cookies. You know what I mean? Snicker M&M's cookies. Yes, sir. Your boy did that. Well, I let them cool down for like a couple minutes. And then we're going to put them bad boys on a plate. So here we go right here. You know what I mean? Nice M&M Snickers. Snicker cookies. You hear me? Look at me. Your boy out here smiling. I'm baking. You hear me? Your boy baking. Hey, this is funny though. But hey, it came out grizzly. You know what I mean? Lovely. For real, you know. So your boy did his thizzle on the first time around. For season. You hear me? So make sure y'all hit that like button for your boy, you know what I mean? Leave in the comments some laughy faces, you hear me? Cause your boy over here laughing like crazy right now. I baked some cookies for the first time. Pimp! But other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.